Here's how you can make beef shawarma.
This is the only recipe you'll ever need.
Not the only one, the best one. Real close, real close.
Your lens is tiny. And as always,
Now bismillah.
that's fire.
So to start, let's slice up some beef and lamb.
Cinnamon, turmeric, and cardamom. Cardamom, all spice, and the cloves. Paprika, garlic, black pepper. Squeeze the lemon, olive oil, distilled white vinegar, the pomegranate molasses. Mix and match. Mix the batch. You smell it?
In a scorching hot pan, we're gonna add some clarified butter. When the pan is nice and smoking hot like you, spread out the beef and lamb.
I can't hear you, it's too hot.
What did you say?
Don't overcrowd your pan so everything gets nice and caramelized. It's a little overcrowded. After a couple minutes, it should look nice and juicy like this.
And to assemble, let's grab some Saj bread along with some hummus.
My friend, this way.
And the other way.
He's making cross.
That's what I say.
Till X marks the spot.
The way you were smearing it was stressing me out.
Now add a generous amount of the meat.
We're gonna go in with our sumac onions that also have some parsley in them. We're gonna do some fresh tomatoes and cucumbers.
Along with some tahina.
Some pomegranate molasses.
You should open up a shawarma spot. If it's not tight, it's not right.
Yeah.
That gotta be dirty.
100% halal, my friends. So, my friends, now we're going to wrap it up.
If it's not right, and if it's not tight,
It's not right.
Look at that, my friends. Just like that. Nice and tight. The best in the West.